Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to request access to Shopify store. So here as you can see in my Shopify store, if I go to the settings and I go here to the users section, I will find that there are many users. So I am the store owner here and I will find many other roles. So I can add users to here, and here I will find the roles like customer support marketer, and I can add one, make a custom one. And here in the security section, I will find the collaborators. So basically what the collaborators is, it's someone that is, for example, a designer, a developer, a marketer, etc., that wants to access the store to make changes or to edit it basically. The collaborator should be a Shopify partner, so they can request the code in their dashboard that should have a button to request access to a certain store. So they will have to write a code, and the code in question is this one. So here, as you can see, I have this code 8293, and I can generate a new one, or I can just delete this one. What you will do as the owner of the Shopify store is copy this and then give it to the collaborator to put it in their page basically, so they can get access to your store. And that's it. So the owner of the store has to do it manually. You have to ask him. If you are the collaborator, you have to ask the user manually to give you the code. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.